This week we bring you Piroshki, a Russian meat pie. Hello and welcome back to J&J's Food Basket. Piroshki is a popular street food and comfort food in Russia, which today we will get to taste in the comfort of our home. For this recipe, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box below. Let's get cooking. Piroshki are Russian and Ukrainian yeast-leavened boat-shaped pies with a variety of fillings. These are one-of-a-kind pies that are traditionally fried. These days, however, people bake it too. So, that was another quick video taking you step by step through a very easy and very tasty recipe using ingredients available in your own kitchen. Do try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest at J&JS Food Basket. Have a great weekend.